Hey, you mad machinists out there, home machinists, hobby machinists, welcome to Grant's Shop. I usually do RC model videos, but in this case, I have spent the last month upgrading this little tag mill. I've added some more Z height to it. I put on some closed steppers and a 2.2 kilowatt spindle. I've built this metal tub for it so I can run coolant. I have a tool touch-off probe. I also have a probe that goes here to touch off on my work. The whole thing is being run by a Pokies 57 CNC control board. And my drivers are over here. This is a BLDC driver for the lathe that I have. I've got a little Sureline CNC lathe, and this box runs both of them. I have a switch in the back that I can switch from lathe output to mill output and vice versa. So I'm also running Mach 4 software with it. This mill has been a great mill. I just wanted to upgrade it so to have spindle speed control and all of the big doodads that major machines have, because I am a journey level machinist. Spent 15 years as a journeyman machinist, and now I'm retired. So what does a machinist do when he retires? He machines. But stay tuned, because in the future this little guy is going to get put to work. I have plans to build a 1/4 scale Clerget 9-cylinder rotating a rotary engine for this airplane right here. That is a 1/4 scale Sopwith Camel. I don't like that single cylinder that's up front. So if it flies well, I'm going to put a regular, an absolute rotary 9-cylinder engine in it. So visit Grant's Shop. You can find my camel build on the playlist of camel. I have machining videos, a few of them. There will be more to come. You may see in the background I have a Harbor Freight mini mill that I've upgraded and modified, and then there's my 8x16 lathe over there that I am in the middle of tightening up. They're not bad machines, but you really got to put some work into them to get them to tighten up to where you can hold a tolerance. Anyway, visit me on my channel.